Welcome back to Road Ready Reviews. This is the 2025 Nuova Fiat 850 Sports Coupe, a timeless blend of vintage Italian charm and modern precision engineering. Its compact yet bold presence immediately captures the spirit of true driving enthusiasts. Starting from the lower left, you can admire the smooth, flowing lines that enhance both elegance and aerodynamics. As we move up, the circular LED headlights pay homage to the original design while adding a crisp, modern touch. The slim front grille, framed by subtle chrome accents, highlights its refined character. Moving further to the right, the sculpted hood and sharp contours emphasize its sporty personality. Now, as we pan down to the lower right, the compact bumper with integrated air intakes ensures both style and functionality. Finally, bringing it back to the left, every curve and surface has been thoughtfully crafted to celebrate the Fiat legacy while stepping confidently into the future. A car designed for those who appreciate classic beauty, nimble performance, and a unique driving soul. As we shift to the rear, the elegance continues, with a compact yet muscular stance that hints at agility and performance. The rounded taillights offer a nostalgic nod to the past, updated with sleek LED technology. Moving toward the center, the Fiat badge sits proudly, representing decades of Italian innovation. The twin chrome exhaust tips add a sporty flair, delivering a refined yet spirited sound. Panning further to the right, the gently flared rear fenders enhance its dynamic appeal. Now, back down to the lower left, the neatly integrated rear bumper showcases a perfect balance of style and strength. This isn't just a car, it's a celebration of heritage and passion. Stepping inside, the 2025 Nuova Fiat 850 Sports Coupe welcomes you with an intimate blend of retro flair and contemporary comfort. The plush leather seats with contrast piping offer a luxurious yet classic feel. The driver-focused dashboard combines analog charm with modern digital displays, giving you essential driving information at a glance. Moving across, the infotainment system delivers seamless connectivity without losing the car's minimalist essence. Now shifting to the lower right, the aluminum pedals and sporty steering wheel enhance the engaging driving experience. Finally, coming back to the left, every element inside is designed to create an authentic connection between driver and machine. Every detail inside is crafted to inspire joy, connection, and effortless style. From the side, the Nuova 850's sleek and balanced profile is pure Italian artistry. The compact dimensions, graceful roofline, and confident stance reflect its sporting spirit. Moving up, the pronounced character lines and flared arches bring out its athletic posture. As we pan across, the stylish alloy wheels and discreet badging emphasize its premium yet understated personality. Shifting downward, the finely sculpted side skirts improve airflow and visual balance. Finally, coming back to the left, the overall silhouette is a modern interpretation of an unforgettable classic. An Italian icon, reborn for a new generation of dreamers. Under the hood, the 2025 Nuova Fiat 850 Sports Coupe promises a thrilling yet refined driving experience. The heart of this coupe is a turbocharged 1.4L four-cylinder engine, producing an impressive 180 horsepower. Moving up, the digital cluster showcases real-time performance data including boost pressure, engine response, and drive modes. Across the center, multiple drive modes, city, sport, and touring, adapt to every driving mood. Shifting to the right, the finely tuned suspension and electronic steering ensure precision and confidence around every curve. And finally, bringing it back, the complete engineering package delivers a harmonious blend of excitement and efficiency. Balanced power, intelligent design, and pure driving pleasure. Now, let's talk about why the Nuova Fiat 850 Sports Coupe is such a captivating choice. The 2025 850 Sports Coupe is offered in various trims, with prices starting from an estimated $30,000. The premium performance version takes it up to around $40,000. Moving up, Fiat offers a 4-year, 50,000-mile warranty for added assurance. Across the center, maintenance and ownership costs remain remarkably accessible, making it a practical dream car. Panning further to the right, the emotional and collectible value of this coupe ensures it will be cherished for years to come. Finally, coming back to the left, owning the 2025 Nuova Fiat 850 Sports Coupe is about embracing a lifestyle of passion, style, and timeless Italian craftsmanship. If you're ready to rediscover the thrill of pure driving pleasure, visit your nearest Fiat showroom today and experience the magic of the Nuova 850 Sports Coupe. Enjoyed this review? Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more expert car insights here on Road Ready Reviews.